Hello friends, welcome to Tapas World Recipes. Today, we go all the way to northwest Spain, the region of Galicia, and we're gonna make an octopus Galician style. This recipe dates back to the 17th century when the merchandise travelers from La Margareteria in León, Spain, they would travel with certain things, especially the octopus, and they would dry it as there was no refrigeration. Then, when they arrived there, they would rehydrate the octopus with some olive oil and Spanish paprika. This gave it this really good taste, and this dish became very popular around fairs in Galicia. So it was also known as octopus fair style. With time, adding boiled potatoes, and they would boil the potatoes in the octopus broth, became popular and now is a staple in tapas bars all around Spain and over the world. Very simple dish, only 5 ingredients. It takes a little bit of time, but I know you're gonna love it. I'm gonna show you how to make it, and let's get cooking. The ingredients we're gonna need is an octopus about 7 pounds, 4 potatoes, Spanish paprika, sweet, hot, or both, some extra virgin olive oil, and salt. We're gonna start by washing our octopus. I have this beautiful octopus that was frozen. I defrosted it, and I'm gonna clean all the suction cups, as they normally have some sand. Now it's time to remove the beak. You're going to push it from the center, and the beak is going to come out, and then we're just going to pull it. Then carefully using a knife, we're going to score around it and remove the rest. Now, we're going to cut out the eyes, and finally make sure that we clean the head. Now I have a pot with water boiling, and it's time to scare the octopus. This is the process of sinking the octopus 3 times in the boiling water, and you're going to see the tentacles start to curl. This is going to help for our octopus to be tender and for the skin to stay. After 3 times, then we're going to leave our octopus, and we're going to cook it about 9 to 10 minutes per pound. Once the water starts to boil again, the time starts, and because this one is a 7-pounder, it's going to take about an hour. While our octopus is cooking, we're going to peel our potatoes, and we're going to cut it into 1/2 inch slices. Our octopus is boiling, we have our potatoes ready, but before we put this dish together, it's a perfect time for you to click on subscribe to our channel. If you don't want to miss any videos, click on the bell to get notifications. Leave us your comments and request any special recipe you would like to see. And at the end of this video, if you're enjoying it, don't forget to give us a like. Visit our Amazon store, where you're going to be finding specialty ingredients, pots, pans, cooking books. Or you can also visit our store through our YouTube channel, where you're going to be finding t-shirts, coffee mugs, stickers from Tivo's World Recipes. We thank you all very much for your support. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And now, let's get back to cooking. After 1 hour, it's time to check our octopus. Using some tongues, we're going to use a wooden pick. And between the head and the tentacles, which is the thickest part, we're going to make sure that it goes in and comes out easily. This tells us that our octopus is tender and it's time to remove it. I'm going to put it on a cookie tray with a bowl, and we're going to let it cool down for 10-15 minutes. Now, using the same broth, we're going to cook and boil our potatoes. After using this broth, don't discard it. This is perfect to make other dishes like risottos, seafood soup, etc. It's delicious. Now, using some scissors, we're going to go through the membrane in between the tentacles, and we're going to start cutting them. And this is how we're going to get all our tentacles. We're going to repeat the process with all 8 of them. Now, after 15 minutes, it's time to check our potatoes. We're going to make sure they're nice and tender, and we're going to remove them. And now it's time to start plating our Galician style octopus. We're going to use a wooden plate, and we're going to place our potatoes at the bottom. Then, using our scissors, we're going to start cutting our tentacles in small bite-sized pieces, and we're going to put them on top of the potatoes. Now I'm going to use some hot and sweet smoked paprika. You can only use hot, you can only use sweet, depends on your preference. And we're going to sprinkle a little bit on top of everything. I'm also using sweet, and then a good drizzle of some good Spanish olive oil. This is going to give it some great flavor. I'm just adding some slices of bread in case you want to make pinchos, and some parsley to decorate. This is looking delicious. And now, it's time to try our Galician style octopus. Very simple, and it looks unbelievable. Let's try it. Tapas, potato. Wow. The difference is a good olive oil and good Spanish paprika. The octopus, it's a little bit salty, so it doesn't need much salt, but this is great. This is very simple. We only use 5 ingredients, and I added some bread in case you want to make it like a toast. You need to give this recipe a try, and we'll see you next time.